Look, some people get it and some people don't. And the ones who do know how I feel about the ones who don't. Shout out to Smelly Butler and their family and everything else. I would like to say to you all, think. What does it take to outwit someone in natural combat, and what does it show? What does it mean to outmaneuver someone? Man over. To be over someone or to go over your head when it doesn't go over someone else's head means that you are above them, right? You are closer to God, not because of what you know, but what God has shown you. So they say the wise man, when Bob Marley says a lot of smart men don't go to heaven, a lot of educated men, because they don't have that certain perspective. They have a bunch of useless knowledge to them because they don't have the ability to apply it. Just like the non-black martial artists, with all due respect, generally speaking. They might know everything our ancestors knew, but God is not talking to them through nurture or nature. They have a different culture and a different body, and they've come from a different land, different temples, different everything. Okay? And they don't have that heart that you find in Nigeria, the heart of Africa. So when you say, well, what does it take to outmaneuver somebody? Well, it takes being a man who is closer to God naturally and above you in the divine order. And the only way that man can become below you is if somebody beneath him, for example, or someone else, or the devil, tempts him to give up on sacred morality. It is sad that only now in the end do you see I am right. It is sad that somebody who is as great as I am, obviously, has to explain to you why he is not kidding when he says he's the top martial artist. And the significance of part of being able to outmaneuver someone is strategy, speed, and physical contact. Being a hare, a hawk, or a leopard. Or all in one. Being a lion, striking effectively. You've outmaneuvered that animal for all intents and purposes. Make no mistake, a lion can get wounded. And a mountain lion goes to great lengths, like a leopard and a panther, not to get injured. All these things show that light contact is not only ritual, traditional, ceremonial, but common fucking sense from a scientific perspective. We are the ones who mastered mind, body, soul, science, religion, art, and everything else. Not any of you. That is why you cannot beat me or outmaneuver me, because I am the man naturally, and you are only the man when you drug and dumb down everyone and convince them that in their minds that you are the man. And only in that sick realm we call hell do people confuse you for being the man. So only in that one sixth sense are the man. But truly, in every true sense, unhindered by what Masons want you to think of as your sixth sense, I am the man, naturally, in every sense known to man. And in those ways known to God, I am the man also. I am the man, Igbo, who outmaneuvered you all. I am the greatest embodiment of the first son, Christ, and every good martial artist in African history, and you will respect that in this life and the next, one way or another. Thank you.